How to upload photos to iCloud and delete them from your iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you to the steps on how you can upload photos to iCloud and delete it from your iPhone. Now to do so, you want to open up first your settings. Under settings, you want to here tap on your username at the top, and under it you want to tap on iCloud. Once you're on iCloud, you can see save to iCloud. You can tap on see all and open up your iCloud photos option. Once you're on this page, you want to make sure that sync this iPhone is enabled. Once you do so, your syncing will be enabled, and the next step is down below. You can see optimize iPhone storage. You want to tap on it. Now if your iPhone is low on space, full resolution photos and videos are automatically replaced with smaller device sized versions. Full resolution versions can be downloaded from iCloud anytime. So this will automatically sync your photos to your iCloud, and it'll be saved on your iCloud, and you can access it from your phone as well. So this is how you can upload photos to iCloud and delete it from your iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.